Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today we will talk on the Great British Pound. So I just have taken a look at it and the fundamental background that we have a technical picture, and it seems that cable right now is really gold mine of the technical trading setups. Here, guys, it will be too long to talk on the all fundamental background, why we think that the cable has really solid potential of trading. In a medium-term perspective, it would be better if you will read the weekly research, because there we talking a lot about the weekly chart and the monthly chart on the background around the elections and some fundamental factors. Why we think that overall situation that is right now appearing around Great British Pound is moderately bearish. And the recent drop that we see could become not just some temporal retracement, but it could become the starting point of the big bearish extension on the monthly chart. Just to say here, based on analysis on the monthly chart, we do not exclude that market could reach 112 area, and it could happen not really too long ago from current moment. So, but in the daily chart, we will discuss what we will do in the beginning of the next week, and it's mostly the short-term picture. So as you can see, on the daily chart, trend has turned bearish and market has shown a very strong drop on Friday. This drop was so significant that, in fact, it engulfs the price action of whole almost 4 weeks of the consolidation that has happened previously. As a result of this drop, market has reached monthly pivot point, Fib levels 127.85, and daily oversold. By itself, this combination creates the background for the chart Napoli bullish stretch pattern. So it means that the new week should start with some upward retracement. That's why if you are trading on intraday charts, if you're a scalp trader, you could watch for bullish signals here and trying to trade them with the upward minor retracement. But taking into consideration whole background that we have in the Great British Pound, we guys need to search chance to go short. Because this area, this is not yet the edge. So this is just a technical area where market will have to stop dropping, since this is very strong support. But this is just a minor moment in overall processes that we see right now in the Great British Pound. And from the technical point of view, we will not take into consideration right now the fundamentals background, the elections that are coming in 2 weeks in the Great Britain. So from the technical point, that will be the major area, some kind of the signal area that will tell us whether this drop is just a short-term retracement in overall upward action, or this drop is the real starting of the long-term bear trend on a Great British Pound. Actually, cable right now already stands in the long-term bear trend, but that whether it will start the continuation of this trend. Why? Because here, guys, will be, first of all, this will be very strong confidence support by the chart Napoli. That will be also monthly pivot support one. And breaking through the pivot support one tells that this drop is not just occasional move, this is not just retracement, this is new leg of the new trend. But most important thing here is this trend line. Because, guys, actually this trend line is some kind of the neckline of our, if you recall, this some kind of the hand shoulders, something that sort has been completed. On the way up, market has completed the ABCD target. This hand shoulders butterfly has been formed. Bearish reversal pattern, by the way. So this could become very important for reversal moment and starting of the bear trend on the longer time frame. And if market returns back below this trend line, it will tell us that all this consolidation lasts for a year approximately. since it started in the summer last year, it will tell us market will return back in this consolidation. It will tell us this upward retracement is over, and we should be ready for taking these lows and for a downward continuation. That will be major point to watch for. Maybe it will happen not on the coming week, I do not know. But we need to be prepared to this moment. Personally, guys, I do not want to take any positions in this really doom and gloom action around this support. Just imagine what will happen here, how volatile action here will be. Especially that will be just probably 1 week from the elections in Great Britain, so it will be a very nervous moment. And I would like to take the riskless position ahead of this moment. How we could do this? We could try to take position on the next week, but of course not at that level, because market right now stands at oversold, and we do not want to go short at oversold. We need to sell some rally. That will be our task. So if we will get lucky and we will catch this moment, we will catch the rally to sell, and we will do this. When the market will approach this area, we will have already riskless trade, riskless position with a very far standing stop. Of course, those of you who would like to do this. So you could just take the profit if you want. This is also a good decision. But you probably should catch my idea that what I would like to say. I would like to say that when we will get here, we need to get riskless position protected by the break-even step. And do not worry about the breakout, how it will happen, whether it will happen or not. So something that's I see the most important task for us in the short-term trading process on Great British Pound. So now what we will be watching for. So here we have estimated the market stands at strong support. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see the market has broken this sideways consolidation, and take a look, it has completed to the downside this ABC top 1618 target. So this creates very strong support here. It's also agreement support. This market has completed also ABCD target here. Personally, guys, I think that we could watch for any upward bounce, since here we have nice thrust down, and we have the Judd-Napoli bullish stretch, and this thrust is suitable for Judd-Napoli patterns. This could be double repo buy, brand body sell, or something of that sort. So if it will be the brand body, then we probably should watch for at least retracement back to the equal pivot point and at least to 2866. But retracement even could be deeper. Why? Because market stands at oversold. When the market stands at oversold, usually it triggers deeper retracement. That's why another scenario, for example, market could form kiss goodbye for this trend line around 2922 fib level. That action could be started by the double repo buy pattern here, or maybe on the hourly chart, as you can see. So currently it's very difficult to foresee all scenarios that could happen, all patterns that could be formed. Maybe market will form here some kind of the ABCD retracement, and we will get regardless triple two sell or something of that sort. We do not know yet what particular pattern will be formed. We'll try to cover it in our daily videos. But we do know that some pattern should be formed based on the probabilities, since market stands at very strong support and never sold. And what we also do know, we do know that we need to use this rally to sell. That what we would like to do on the coming week. It will be not really simple, but this is possible. So let's keep watching what will happen on Great British Pound. If you will read our weekly research, you will understand why we think that indeed on the cables or significant perspective could open if market will break 125.50 support. So let's see what we will get, and see you in daily videos.